Okay. Now we will understand latent heat, and in order to understand what is latent heat is, we have to go through one example. Okay. Suppose here we have one container. This is a container, and here we have beta ice cube. Here we have ice cube. Understood? Ice cube, and temperature of ice cube, I am just considering it is 0 degrees Celsius, right? Right, everyone?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes. So here ice at 0, and we know ice is what? It is solid, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we have opened that ice cube at a room temperature, beta, room temperature. So ice is like particle of water. They are going to absorb heat energy from the surrounding, na? And they will turn
Yes.
ice into water, right?
Yes, sir.
So here we're gonna have ice and small ice cube also, because it is going to like melt. So it will slowly form water. So can we say here we have water, and water is at liquid state. But what will be the initial temperature of water? 0 degrees Celsius only, right? Is it or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes. You can say it is chilled water also, chilled water. Okay. So see here, when substance or unit mass of substance convert from solid to liquid state, and at constant temperature is changing here? No, na? Is temperature
No,
is
sir.
changing? No. That means constant temperature. Right?
Yes.
Constant temperature means without change in temperature. Without change in temperature. Okay, and we have just taken that mass of the ice or is unit. Unit means like unit mass. I am writing here unit mass. Okay, it may be 1 gram, it may be 1 kilogram, it may be 1,000 gram. Okay, like this, or 100 kilogram, whatever. It must be unit 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now we had to go through with all the point here. See, latent heat is, see here, heat is absorbing, so I am writing here the symbol of heat is like this. Okay. So the amount of heat required to convert unit mass of solid substance into its liquid state at constant temperature or without change in temperature, that required heat is called as beta latent heat. Is called as what? Latent heat. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just going to write definition for latent heat. Okay. So wait a second. Let me scroll it down. Let me cover boiling point also. In last class we covered the melting point and boiling point. Who reply, beta?
Sir, I don't think
Yes.
we covered melting point.
Yeah, we
Sir,
didn't
you have
cover that.
explained in brief.
Okay, so we'll do one thing. We have started that latent heat, so we will cover that, and then we will start melting and boiling point. We'll do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'm writing here latent heat. Okay, the amount of heat required to convert unit mass of substance from solid to liquid state solid to liquid state at constant temperature, or we can write without changing temperature. Without change in temperature. Called as latent heat. It's called as what? Latent heat. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now types of latent heat. Types. Okay. There are two types of latent heat, beta. Number one, actually we have many types. I will explain you that also. First, we have latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. So again, most of the things are the same here. The amount of heat required to convert unit mass of any substance from solid to liquid state. See, here we are only discussing change in state. Okay, so instead of, we can write the amount of heat required to convert unit mass of substance, okay, from one state to other, from one state to other state. We have to write like this. Okay, because if we are writing latent heat of fusion, so there we have to write from solid to liquid state. Okay, so I am
Okay.
writing here one state to other state. Other state without changing temperature. Okay, now for latent heat, we have to write the amount of heat required, the amount of heat required to convert unit mass of solid, unit mass of solid to its liquid state, without change in temperature. Okay, this called as what? Latent heat of fusion. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay, second we have latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. So what you have to write? The amount of heat required to convert unit mass of liquid. Instead of solid, you have to write liquid to its gaseous state. Okay. Without changing temperature is called as latent heat of vaporization. Understood now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just to write all the two and design that on your own, and then you have to read it loudly so that I can check whether you have wrote right or not. Okay. Okay, beta.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Do it fast.